You're the proud owner of a crane, rigging, millwright, or industrial services business. You get by using Word documents, spreadsheets, and sticky notes, lots of them, to organize and track your customers, quotes, schedules, purchase orders, and equipment. But as your company grows, so too do the piles of paperwork, and it's only a matter of time before vital information gets misplaced, miscommunicated, or misquoted. If you're hesitant to make the switch to a software-based solution, we get it. Technology can be intimidating, confusing, and downright expensive. But not with WrightPlan. Our specialized quoting and job management software is designed to scale with your business. It requires no downloads and works to save you time and money, upwards of 15 weeks per year. With one system, your entire team, from estimators and dispatchers to project managers and field support, can manage work as a single stream of secure information. Our easy-to-use, all-in-one product works the way you think. It features a powerful CRM that tracks customers, sales, and internal tasks, a detailed estimating tool that helps you plan, design, and generate accurate quotes that win, an intuitive drag-and-drop scheduling system that keeps your fleet organized and on time, and the ability to capture timesheets, inspection reports, and pre-task planning documents, all on your mobile device, whenever, wherever. With over 25 years of industry experience, we pride ourselves on giving customers an efficient, effective way for managing today, as well as the foresight and confidence to plan for tomorrow. So stop getting by and start getting ahead with the software that speaks your language. Visit our website, call or email today to book your free demo, and start doing it right with WrightPlan.